Good morning. This is Keisha here at tradewithresolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. Now, if you're interested in viewing live day trades along with learning some of the basic terminology that comes along with learning about the stock market, be sure to go ahead and click the subscribe button below. I'm currently looking at Apple here. I believe that the price is going to decline here shortly, so I'm going to go ahead and prepare an order. So I am now in the trade. I went in with a small position size here with 4 contracts at 36 cents. Let's see if the price of Apple can decline. So I have 1 contract left here and I'm just about to get rid of it now.
Order filled.
So I am all out of the trade for a $49 gain, which equated to a 35% return. So not too bad overall for a relatively quick trade. I hope you enjoyed this short live trade, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Also, if you're brand new to the stock market, be sure to check out my Trading Essentials video lesson series. It's located in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.